In this video, we are going to see how we can delete our account permanently on Roblox, whether you're on the PC version or whether you're using it on the mobile. The procedure is pretty much the same. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, just make sure guys that if you have some Robux, either you can donate or send it to some of your friends, because it is difficult and time taking to earn, or maybe you have bought it, so you transfer it to someone else and then you can even delete it without it. But I always recommend you to transfer your Robux first, and then from the browser we will head over to the roblox.com, and actually at the end, instead of home, we will just mention here support. So once we mention that, we need to mention our username, although it's not compulsory, but let's mention it. Let's mention my name. Confirm the email again. And in the device type, we will select PC. Help category, we will choose it as I want to delete my account. And we will choose I want to delete my account. And you can even write I want to delete my account. Please assist and delete all of my info and complete account. You can even refine this message using ChatGPT. You click on continue and you should mention and start this puzzle, solve it. Verification is complete and request received. Thank you for contacting Roblox. Please check your email for a message from customer service. So basically it will just generate a ticket for you, just like so. As you can see here, it has generated a ticket. And it is also providing you the complete guide on how you can deactivate that temporarily and how you can delete it. So you can follow that process. So you just follow that, and that is how you can delete or deactivate your account on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.